Well, a close-up of our raindrops. We've certainly had plenty of rain so far this week, and we're not yet done. That captured by Jim Carpenter there. And here we are from Marty and Troy. 2.5 inches of rainfall. Now, if you take what some of us saw on Monday, and some of us saw thunderstorms that produced some locally higher amounts, some locations have exceeded 5 inches, and we've had a good 1 to 2.5 inches today alone. 66 is the current number at the airport. 66 here. That is the high temperature as well for the day. That's 21 degrees below average here for the 22nd day of June. Northeasterly winds, not quite as breezy as yesterday, but it feels like April and not June. 60 the current reading at Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Some light rain continuing to fall. Here's just a review of the last 4 hours. All the rain spreading from southeast to northwest. It's lightened up at times, and even if it does stop, there's likely drizzle that's out there, but we'll still have additional rain here tonight. And you'll notice here on the wider perspective, the satellite radar combination, we had some storms that came out of eastern North Carolina, southeast Virginia, and then they weakened as they ran into cooler air. It's much warmer off to the south and east. We're wedged in with the cooler numbers. Right now, we've got numbers that are pretty much in the low and mid 60s, and we're not going to drop off all that much tonight with additional rain, drizzle, and areas of fog. There'll likely be more fog here tonight because the wind will be much lighter. Now, tomorrow we'll start with murky conditions. Then we should see maybe a shower or two left over in the morning, then break out to some sunshine or some brightening of the skies, and then some scattered showers and thunderstorms developing during the afternoon. Not everyone sees the activity, but it'll be warm and more humid, upper 70s and lower 80s. That basically plays out again on Saturday with temperatures in the low and mid 80s. Sunday, a lesser chance of showers and storms, but not completely out of the question that we'll see a few. Temperatures will trend a little warmer Sunday into Monday of next week. Any storm can produce locally higher amounts of rainfall, but perhaps an additional 1, maybe up to 1.5 inches of rain, and that taking us through Saturday. Here's this broad area of low pressure that's been spinning across the southern Appalachians. That will continue to lift off to the north and east, eventually drag a front nearby, but that is the culprit for the setup, keeping those easterly winds going, keeping the moisture streaming in off the Atlantic, and keeping temperatures well suppressed for June. I mean, look at the coolest numbers here, right across the mid-Atlantic and the Carolinas. You have to go back toward the Midwest and the Ohio Valley to run in temperatures that are well in the 80s. This is Tropical Storm Brett. Brett is bearing down on Barbados and the Lesser Antilles. And then this is a tropical depression that will likely become Cindy. Brett is forecasted to weaken as it encounters higher winds and drier air over the next several days in the Caribbean. We'll keep an eye on potential Cindy. Here we go with tonight, still dealing with the rain. And again, it may taper off a bit. And in the morning, there may be a leftover shower. Then there should be a break in the action before more storms start to fire during the afternoon. But not everyone sees those storms Friday afternoon. And then Saturday, we start with mostly cloudy skies, gives way to some sunshine. We heat up, and there'll be a few more storms. Temperatures here tonight, upper 50s, lower 60s, additional showers, areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. The pattern begins to break down in terms of not being as cool and not being as widespread rain, more scattered in nature, more humid, warmer temperatures as we head through the next couple of days. A new front on the horizon early next week brings more scattered showers and storms.
All right, Eric. Lather, rinse, repeat. Thanks, Eric.
Thank you.